Welcome to Scheduley, your time management app. In this video, we'll show you how to create reminders. On the homepage, click on the Add button. Here, you will see options for groups, reminders, and contacts. To create a reminders, switch to the Reminders tab. Here, you can create a reminder to help you stay updated on important tasks. Start by choosing what you want to set a reminder for. We'll select subscriptions for now. Click Next to continue. Now, you can either choose from the available options or create your own custom reminder. For creating a custom reminder, click the Add New Reminder button at the bottom. Here you need to enter the title for adding the reminder, then click the Add button. That's it. You have successfully added the new custom reminder. Now choose the reminder. A new form will appear where you need to enter the name of the subscription. Enter the location for renewal by selecting your current location or searching with a keyword. Next, choose the expiry date and set a reminder date to get notified before it expires. If needed, you can upload a document for reference. You can also add a new field to write more information for the reminder. You can also share this reminder within your contacts or groups. Finally, click on Save to finalize your reminder. That's it for today's Scheduley walkthrough, your time management app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.